This is a story called Elliot and the Big Wave. And Elliot is a cat. Here he is. Elliot lived with Bernard in the old lighthouse on the harbour wall. He loved the smell of sea and chasing the seagulls. Here's Bernard. One day, the sun was shining and the wind was blowing. "What a lovely day to go fishing," said Bernard. "Oh, fish," thought Elliot. "My favourite." Meow. I wonder if I can do fishing, thought Elliot. Bother. I can almost reach, but not quite. See, he's trying to reach for the fish. Perhaps I'll go fishing with Bernard. He won't even know I'm there. Can you see him? Can you see Bernard? Can you see Elliot? Here's Bernard and here's Elliot in the bag. Out at sea there were lots of fish that didn't want to be caught. Bother, bother, I still can't reach, thought Elliot. Then, what do you think's going to happen? Boom! A big wave hit the boat. Oh no, thought Elliot. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea after all. There he is. Down went Elliot, and down went the bucket, and down went the mop. Bother, 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 thought Elliot. I still can't reach the fish. But what is that trying to reach me? What's trying to reach? Is it an octopus? Suddenly the bucket floated past. Elliot jumped in. That's a bit of luck, he thought. Look, he found a bucket. Then another huge wave caught the bucket. Oh no, thought Elliot. This is really not my day. But the wave carried the bucket back to the shore. And tipped him out onto the beach. Elliot decided that was quite enough fishing for one day. He ran along the beach, up the steps to the harbour wall, and raced all the way home. Elliot sat shivering and waited for Bernard to come home. "Oh, Elliot, you're soaking. Has it been raining? You should have come fishing with me. It's been a perfect day." Perfect for you, thought Elliot grumpily. That evening there was one fish Elliot could reach. Can you see it? Here it is. Well, maybe it hasn't been such a bad day after all, smiled Elliot. And at least I tried, he thought happily. At least I tried, and... But Elliot was already asleep. Shh.